Welcome to the Billionaire Academy. It's Stanley here, and I'm talking about why you need skills in Ghana. There are a lot of people in Ghana as of now that are focusing on their education. Education is good, okay? Education is good. Focusing on your academics is good, but then you need skills. You need to improve skills. You need to improve on skills, or you need to get skills. Why am I talking about skills? Because the era that we are entering into, it's not about your certificate. It's not about the university you went to. It's about what you can do. It's about what you can do with your hands. If you can't do anything after going to the university, and you expect a job, nope. I think even now when you go for interviews, they actually analyze what you can do. It's not about having the first class certificate. No, you can have the first class, but can you do what you're expected to do? Do you have the skill that is needed? If you don't have the skill, I'm telling you, you'll be out of the system. So there are skills that you need to build upon. There are skills that you actually can acquire that can earn you a lot of money. There are a lot of people, as I know right now, who are actually earning a lot of good money, like good money in the field right now, who are actually having their own skills that they're self-taught skills. They didn't go to any school before they learn that skill. You get it? You have to build a skill on your own. Either you are self-taught, or you find an institution that can help you build that skill, because without skills you are not going to actually get money. And also you are going to live by is it the 9 to 8 or something? There's some term that they give to that, the 9 to 6, something like that, that you would depend on salary. But then if you have skills, you can actually be a freelancer, you can be an online worker, you can be a part-time worker. There are a lot of avenues for you that you can actually venture. Okay, so you need to build skills. As of now, looking at the economy of Ghana now, you cannot depend on one stream of income. One stream of income is not the best idea. So you need to build on skills. You need more skills. You need more skills. And the more skills you have, the more streams of income you can actually acquire. So if you are a photographer, you can actually venture into video. Okay, so you can learn the video skill. I'm just talking, I'm not limiting you to all there are a lot of skills around. So you can venture into a lot of skills that will help you. And as at now, looking at the economy, if you depend on one salary, I tell you, by the end of the month you don't have even a kobo to save. I'm telling you, you wouldn't have even one cedi to save. In this economy, you need to be skillful, because it is your skills that will open doors for you and open opportunities for you to earn money. Without skills, and you think you have a master's degree, my brother, my sister, that's shockable. It will shock you. You would be in the house being is it a thrift seller? You be selling clothes on WhatsApp. Yo, sorry guys, I'm not actually chilling or trolling. Yeah, so, did I say troll? Trolling those who sell on WhatsApp though. I'm not trolling on them. But then you can be a master's degree holder and be at home and selling clothes. So you have to build skills. It's not about just going to the university. And also you need to build solid connections, solid relationships. Building solid relationships and good skills will help you. The relationship is just a little something that I'm adding to it, But then the most important thing is that you have to build strong skills. I don't know the skills that you have. You can comment in the comment section. Tell me the skills that you really want to learn about or talk about, or you want me to share. If you want me to share some skills or any idea about skills that you want to know, anything, kindly comment in the comment section and I'll get back to you. I'll pick some of the comments and use it for a YouTube video. Thank you all for watching my YouTube video. Kindly subscribe, hit on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a YouTube video, and then smash the like, share it to your friends, and support your brother. See ya. Peace. I'm out.